एवरीवन। सो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप अच्छे होंगे एंड मैं भी बिल्कुल अच्छी हूँ, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। आई एम डूइंग ग्रेट एंड होप यू पीपल आर डूइंग great as well, and hope you are learning English language great in great way. So hello everyone, this is Sonia, and if you are new here, so you are most welcome. And my friends, first I would like to tell you, in this video you are gonna learn about consistency, why consistency is necessary to learn something new. So in this video you are gonna watch like consistency, how we could maintain consistency if we want to learn, if you want to learn something new. It can be language, English language, and any language it can be. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started our video. And first, you are watching this video first time, so please don't forget subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you're getting my all upcoming new video notifications. Consistency is the key, main key of learning something new, of learning English language or any language it can be. So let me tell you, my friends, with full explanation. So first, consistency helps your brain get comfortable if you learn English language mainly. Okay, so if you speak English every day, is in every day, if you do practice each and every day, it just because you wanna talk to in English with anyone with confidently. Okay, so that's why you do practice every day, you speak in English every day, and of course you are learning English language, so it should do. So if you do like this every day, then your mind recognize words and pattern automatically. If you do is an everyday practice, English speaking practice, my dear friends. For an example, when you speak in English in a sentence, you can say first day. At first day, when you speak in English, any sentences when you speak in English, then maybe you feel it's awkward, but only one day. But if you repeat and learn again and again and speak again and again in English, all sentences, so many sentences in English, then one day you feel it's natural. Then English sentences you can speak with naturally, and then you don't feel it's awkward and difficult like this, right? First thing, that is consistency help your brain to get comfortable. The second thing is regular practice. Regular practice reduce your fear and hesitation. What you hesitate while speaking English language, if you do regular practice and speaking practice, then hesitation and fearness disappear. Okay, so regular practice, it's necessary. Second thing is regular practice. If you do regular practice, then your fearness and hesitation definitely disappear from you. Okay, and the third thing is consistency creates fluency. Fluency, it's not about speed, it's about smoothness, that how much you could speak in English with smoothness. So don't think like this, that if you could speak in English very fast way, that fluent English, that means smoothness, that how much you could speak in English with smoothness. Okay, so if you more practice English speaking, you will be able to speak English language with smoothness. The fourth thing is you start believing in yourself. Definitely, believe me, my friends, if you do maintain with consistency to learn something new, then believe me, my friends, you start believing in yourself and you feel yourself like, I can speak this language with confidently and fluently. Anywhere else I can speak this language, with anyone I can speak this language, with anyone I can talk to in English language. Okay, so whatever you want to learn, whatever you want to learn something new, if you do maintain consistency and if you learn with consistency, then believe me friends, one day definitely you will feel this what I am saying right now. Okay, so yes, that's the R4 thing. If you do follow with consistency, then believe me my friends, if we talk about English, then you will be able to speak English one day, definitely. My friends, tell me, what did you see in this video? First, consistency help your brain to get comfortable. Second thing is regular practice reduce your fairness and hesitation. Okay, and the third thing is consistency creates fluency. Okay, and the fourth thing is you start believing in yourself. Okay, if you do practice each and every day, then definitely my friends, your tongue and mind and memory start working together. Okay, so yes my friends, that's the thing I wanted to share with you in this video. Like if you want to learn English language, then you can learn, just you have to learn English with consistency, then definitely you will be able to speak English language. If you want to learn English language, so for more videos, subscribe this channel. If you do subscribe, then get me motivation to make more videos. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So keep learning together and keep growing together. And if you have any suggestion for me, then you can suggest me by comment below this video. Okay, definitely I'll reply them, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care.